Unit conversion. Hello everyone. Unit conversion is one of the concepts of engineering in solving questions. The simplest one is, for example, the data of length unit question is based on the centimeter, but the amount of it is based on the meter or millimeter. Here, the issue of unit conversion plays a role. Unit conversion is basic topic in engineering that we will learn further in this video. We have solved the concern of engineering this topic with the training simple method forever. Stay with us, dear one. We start the training with an example. How do we convert 625,000 millimeter to the centimeter? There are three of the prefix, and we put behind the number of what is it used? You see the table: tera, giga, mega, kilo, hecto, deca. Excuse me. This is centi, milli, micro, and nano, and pico. Every symbol has its number. For what is it used? For a very large or very small number, we have too many zero. Instead of zero, we put the prefix. Okay. For example, instead of the writing 1,000 gram, you can remove 30 and put the prefix instead. Okay, 30 is about the 10 to the power 3. You can see in this table about the kilo, you can remove them and write the K before G. It's about kilograms. Okay, or the opposite of, for example, whenever we see K, we can put the 30 instead, or 10 to power 3. Okay, everywhere you see K, you can write or 10 to power 3. Well, let's go back to the questions. We want to convert 625,000 millimeters to centimeter. The first letter is the prefix. The second one is units. The first one is prefix. The second one is units. About the centimeter, centi. You can see the table. The first one, the second one, milli. You can see the table, the number. About the centi, you can see the table and number. We use 2 number in the table. Okay. Instead of M and C, we write their number from the table. The second letter is a unit, not a prefix. Notice it. Now, by dividing, we will make the question sign alone. Okay? You can solve it. The left part dividing by the right part. M is removed with M in division. Okay? In mathematics, we had 10 to the negative power 3 divided by 10 to the negative power 2. The answer is 10 to negative power of 1. Answer is 10 to negative power 1. Okay? Dividing power number with the fixed base. We discussed this issue in this basic math education video. Power are subtract from each other. The answer is 62,500. All unit conversion are solved in this way. So whenever we see milli, replace it with a 10 to negative power 3. Whenever we see centi, you can uh, write, replace it with the 10 and negative power of 2. 1 point. Whatever the unit power is, the prefix takes the same power. Okay? Then the number is 1. The prefix, the power of it is 1. Is 1. Okay? In this case, since the power of our unit is 1, the power of the prefix also becomes 1. We didn't write anymore. It is if it was 2, the 2 would be added to power of the prefix. Okay? If it's 2, the centi get 2. What is it used in conversion? Surface or volume units? Notice them. Let's solve the next example. Let's go out the length measure scale, then go to the volume scale. How do we convert 625,000 cubic millimeter to cubic centimeter? We write mathematically. It is enough to extract its value from the table instead of M and C. Okay? And replace it. We said that whatever the power of the unit is, it's also take the power of the prefix. You see 3, the power take 3. The next part, to get the value of the question mark, it is enough to put the second term on the right denominator and simplify the fraction. The answer is 625 with a simple multiplication and division of the power number. So 625,000 cubic millimeter is 625 cubic centimeter. How to convert 2 kilonewton to newton? It is the same the previous method. Just break the table in front of you and put the amount instead or value of it of kilos, and answer will be easily obtained. Please comment the answer for us on the YouTube channel or website. We will have special luck for those who are active and send their answer. Okay? We have more extensive and interesting content on our website, which complement our YouTube channel. Be sure to visit. What did we learn? Unit conversion has always been one of the concepts of engineering, and many of them pass it without a proper training due to a wrong way of learning. You can solve it with this method. Since you were with us until the end of this video, we congratulate you. You are moving forward. Don't forget that it is important how to reach the destination.